Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I come up with the textures you see me use in some of my recent designs. My name is Joshua Kens, and without further ado, let's get straight into business. First thing you're going to do is to create a new project, and you can import any image you want to get started. So let's have something like this. Now the first thing I do is to add a noise filter and effect to the work or to the image. I sometimes clip it inside the image, or I leave it that way. So create a new layer, then we'll name it noise. You head over to your gradient tool, over to the paint bucket tool, you get, and make sure that the color is on black. Select the black color and you pour in the color by just left clicking, and you have this. So next thing you're going to do is to go over to filter, go straight down to noise, add noise, and you have this. So tick the monochromatic, and then you can select any amount you want, click on OK. So you go over to the blending modes over here and select screen. As you can see, we're already having that noise effect all over the work. And then after selecting that, you need to reduce the opacity. So you reduce the opacity a little bit so that the noise can still be visible, you get, but not much. Next thing you're going to have to do is you create a new layer and we name it brush, and then you go over to your brush tool, and right click over here. So the brush preset I use is this particular one called the Special Effects brushes, and the name is Kai's Screen Tone 35. I think I'll have to drop the brush for you guys to download. This is the brush that give me that screen tone effect. So increase the size of the brush and then change our color to white. It all depends on the project you are working on. In some cases you have to change the brush color to other colors, but for this I think we'll use white. So just right click and you have this. You can already see the effect already. So what you simply have to do is Ctrl T to transform and expand a little bit. Now you can see the effect already. So you just have to reduce the opacity and you have that effect. So it goes well with the noise, you get, it goes well with the noise. So I think we can further reduce it a little bit, and there we have it. Get, there we have the two effects. So we have before and after. Don't forget to subscribe if you are visiting us for the first time. See you next time.